sign you off to do it. That's what you want to do. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I thought you meant just go and do it. Hey, Doug. Well,
Watch your head. I'm going to drop the flaps.
The flaps are there.
Am I low enough?
Yeah.
And go high. I want to show you something.
Are you out or in, Kurt?
Out. Right here. It's the cargo thing.
Don't open it.
Right now. So if you want for cargo, and if you just come in the jet, you can see.
Not much room in here, Kurt.
Oh, yes,
Pretty tight fit.
It's just
the strap's in the
back
way.
Seat. Can you try to look in the back seat, Mom?
A few moments later.